In front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how we can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Security over here. Then scroll down again, click on App Lock and create PIN for your apps. I will go with that one. Then you need to repeat it. And finally, over here, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with Chrome. Then when I click Home button and now try to access my Chrome app. As you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!